I got an 8-cylinder motor running. Oh man, learn your words. Dirty little camera you are. You got paint dust, nastiness all over you. All right, that's okay. I accept you for who you are. What am I gonna do? I can't fit the sander in there. Well, I would say it's a blessing that I couldn't fit my sander where the rocker is, because it gave me an opportunity to buy another tool. Took care of the rockers, at least most of them. We still have a little bit of touch up to do. Then we gotta finally get to sanding some of the bug. Paint doesn't taste good. Respirators are great, but if you still have dirty hands when you take your respirator off, gross. You gonna need a rebuild bad. Did the valve adjustment on my daily driver only to find that I'm pretty sure that valve noise isn't actually valve noise, but alas, I believe it sounds like a bad rod bearing, which that's not that big of a deal because guess what? The rings are bad anyway, from what I can tell. So, this is a good thing. This allows me the opportunity to do an engine replacement, but not the one I was thinking about before. What I'm going to end up doing is replacing the engine from the Silver Bug into my daily driver. That's a known good engine. Then it gives me the opportunity to rebuild the Bug engine that I'm currently driving, which hopefully it'll be rebuildable. If not, it'll be a great learning experience. But before I can rebuild it, I still have to paint that bug. We got much closer on Greenpeace today, but we still have a long way to go. Well, I don't know if I could really call it Greenpeace anymore because, well, she's turning into a silver piece. All right, so the bug that I'm gonna put in my daily driver is going to be, so the engine I'm gonna put in my daily driver is gonna be this engine out of the Silver Bug. This engine's a known good engine. So let me start up this engine and you tell me if you think it would be a good fit for my daily driver. That sound is so loud. There we go, that's better. She's missing on a cylinder. She does have this problem that if you start it and then shut it off, it'll miss really badly until it comes up. Ow! I did that! It'll run really poorly until it comes up to temperature. And then it'll run alright. Only running off 3 cylinders! I've seen this before. The weird thing is, it'll eventually start running better. So it's like once it comes up to temperature, I shut it off, I wait a little while, I start it back up, it runs fine. I gotta figure out what's going on with that. It's kind of weird. Oh, this bug's running too. I forgot. Got 2 bugs running. Hey baby, I got an 8-cylinder motor running. But after we get all that done, we should be ready to paint the bug. Oh man. We still got the fenders to work on. Thanks for taking along, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. I know today was kind of all over the place, from maintenance to sanding to stripping to, it's just been all over the place. But you know what? That's kind of how my life is sometimes. Yeah.